What kind of energy do we get from a lamp or the sun? We get light energy, and we get heat. I didn't really touch it. The ends of a magnet are called the poles. There is a north pole and a south pole. Like poles repel. They push away from each other. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get out of here. Leave me alone. Opposite poles attract.
You're my friend. I like you.
The weakest part of a magnet is the middle. Not strong enough to attract and lift it up. The strongest part of a magnet is the poles, either end. Now it's strong enough to lift it. The pole is the strongest part of the magnet, north or south, doesn't matter.
Look how strong I am. Are you impressed with me? I'm impressed with myself. Hello.
This is called a circuit, and this is how you work it like this. You like this. When the wires are touching, the chemical energy from the battery changes into electrical energy going through the wires, goes through the light bulb, and changes into light energy. So chemical to electrical to light. But it has to be touching. If not everything is connected, it is an open circuit, and the electricity cannot pass through. Closed circuit, open circuit. This is how wall switches work. You push the light switch on the wall to turn the light on. Click. Closed circuit. Click. Open circuit. Objects that allow electricity to go through them are called conductors. And objects that do not allow electricity to go through them are called insulators. What force causes things to fall down? Gravity! Yes, I do like dropping books. Why do you ask? If you want to measure the length of something really big, like a hallway, don't use centimeters. Don't use inches. Use a yardstick. Or a meter stick. Relax, it's just water. If you wanted to measure exactly 18 milliliters of water, would you use a beaker? No, you would not. Why not? It's not accurate enough. You would use a graduated cylinder because it is much more accurate. Hard, soft, nice kitty. White, green, purple, orange, smooth, rough. Shiny, dull, large, small, light, heavy, are all examples of properties. What science tool would help you examine a rock closely? A hand lens or magnifying glass? What science tool would be best for looking at the cells of a frog's blood? A microscope. If you have about 20 mLs of water and you pour it into a container with a different shape, what will change about the water? Let's find out. It's still about 20 mLs of water. The shape changed, but the volume did not. It takes up the same amount of space, it just has a different shape. Liquids take the shape of whatever container you put them in, but it's still just going to be 20 mLs of water. There's no more water added to it, no water taken away, it's just a different shape. It may look very different in a different container. It'll take the shape of that container, but it's still going to be the same amount of water, 20 mLs. Reflection is when light bounces back off of something. Goes this way, reflects back the other way. That's reflection. Refraction is when light bends. That's what makes the pencil look like it is broken. When the light passes through the water is a different density and it refracts the light. It bends it.
Yeah.